Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will learn 5 common adjectives that describe personality traits. These adjectives are kind, friendly, smart, funny, and serious. Adjectives are words that describe people, things, or situations. Understanding personality adjectives will help you talk about yourself and others more accurately in English. Let's start learning these important words. The first adjective is kind. It is pronounced kind. Kind means showing care, consideration, and compassion toward others. A kind person is generous, helpful, and thoughtful. When someone is kind, they think about other people's feelings and try to help them. For example, if your friend shares their lunch with you because you forgot yours, your friend is being kind. Kind is one of the most positive personality traits you can have. The second adjective is friendly. It is pronounced friendly. Friendly means showing warmth, ease, and willingness to engage with others. A friendly person is pleasant, approachable, and enjoys making connections with people. Friendly people smile, greet others warmly, and make you feel welcome. For example, if a teacher creates a comfortable atmosphere where students feel safe to ask questions, that teacher is friendly. When you are friendly, people want to spend time with you. The third adjective is smart. It is pronounced smart. Smart means having or showing intelligence, good judgment, and the ability to learn quickly. A smart person is clever, intelligent, and can understand things easily. Smart people think carefully before making decisions and can solve problems well. For example, if a student understands a difficult math problem quickly, that student is smart. Being smart is not just about getting good grades. It is about thinking clearly and making wise choices. The fourth adjective is funny. It is pronounced funny. Funny means causing laughter or amusement. A funny person is humorous, entertaining, and makes people laugh. Funny people have a good sense of humor and enjoy making others smile. For example, if someone tells a joke that makes everyone laugh, that person is funny. People enjoy spending time with funny people because they make life more enjoyable and entertaining. Humor is a wonderful way to connect with others. The fifth adjective is serious. It is pronounced serious. Serious means not joking or playful. A serious person shows careful thought and understands that some things are important and need attention. Serious people take responsibilities seriously and think deeply about matters. For example, if someone is discussing an important decision with a serious expression, they are showing that the matter is important. Being serious does not mean being unhappy. It means being thoughtful and responsible about important things. Now let's practice what we have learned. I will read the adjectives and you try to match each adjective with its meaning. Number 1, kind means caring and compassionate. Number 2, friendly means warm and approachable. Number 3, smart means intelligent and clever. Number 4, funny means amusing and entertaining. Number 5, serious means not joking and important. Try to practice these adjectives by thinking of people you know who have these personality traits. This will help you remember these words better. Let's review the 5 personality adjectives we learned today. Kind people show care and compassion. Friendly people are warm and welcoming. Smart people are intelligent and think clearly. Funny people make others laugh and smile. Serious people are thoughtful and responsible. These adjectives will help you describe yourself and others in English. Start using these adjectives in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the easier it becomes to remember them. Thank you for learning with us. Practice using these adjectives, and you will become more confident in speaking English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.